Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nur Muhammad Chaudhary Albi. I am 23 years old. I am from Bangladesh. I have successfully completed my barista course, where I gain hands-on experience in making different type of coffee like espresso, americano, ice americano, B60, ice B60, flat white, cappuccino, ice cappuccino, gawa latte, ice latte, gawa mocha, ice mocha, Spanish latte, ice Spanish latte, pistachio latte, ice pistachio latte, Jaffran latte, macchiato, affogato, mojito milkshake. Now I would like to show you some of the items I can prepare.